All right, here is it with the prototype, 2 computers, 2 powerful stations, and this monitor. It's a little small monitor. This one is not so big. That's like only 30 inches monitor, but basically how this will be the home office. We just have to bring the monitors. That would be 55-inch monitors, big TVs. Here is the desk. It's moving. We can move it around here, and here we have a bunch of other stuff in the back. But let me show you how this will look like when fully ready. All right. Yeah. Keyboard. Roaming. Here. Work here. Work here. Actually, it's gonna be work here, and both the monitors will be here because they will be like a bigger monitor. So I guess it will be like right here, like this, and the running mat, the treadmill. So and this will be walking, of course, this will be walking thing. Need more here. All right. We need more here. All right. That's it pretty much. So I guess maybe next week we'll be ready. So I will show you, of course. These computers here will be hidden behind the wall with ventilation and some decoration here, I guess like some flowers or something. So we'll see how it will go. It has to be very clean. Maybe the wall must be painted black, I guess, or some other color, or maybe gray like this. Here we have this wall gray. I believe that the best way to be maybe gray, dark gray, neutral gray, or maybe even black. So the center of attention will be only the screens here, whatever is on the screen. Now this one is not good. Why? Because it's too small. That's not how it was intended. It was intended to be from here all the way to here, so we can swing. Even this one will do the work, but we don't want small monitors. We need the big monitors because we're gonna work with 4K, 16K, a lot of visual. One, of course, this one will be administration only, text, email, and like documentation. Inside here there is a printer, and this one will be for the video, yeah, for the video and imaging. So yeah, this is it reporting now.